Oh. Who's horning? Bye-bye, game station. You gave me nightmares today. I will never come back. Okay. So it goes itself now. What's that? That's the horn, right? It's already going.
I was so scared she'd put me back in that case. But you saved me.
I did?
You're perfect.
Okay.
Too perfect to lose.
What are you talking about?
I'm sorry. I can't let you leave.
Wait, where are you letting me go to? Poppy?
I've never met anyone like you. Do you know how long I've been stuck in that case?
Wait, as long as 10 years? For what reason?
Well, too long.
Oh, definitely not
I
10
had
years,
so
please.
much time to think and reflect. Time to figure out exactly what I would do when free. We'll
Okay.
set things right. Terrible things have happened.
What thing?
But I know that whatever I need you to do, you're capable.
Oh,
We will.
what?
What if...
What? Wait, what? I can't move, guys. Guys, I can move. Where are we going? Oh, we're going way too deep in the factory now. Oh. Okay. This is a little bit too fast. I guess we're going here over the speed limit. What? 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 Oh. What? Stop train? With what? Stop the train! Unsafe speed! Oh, we're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. Oh shit. We crashed. We crashed. Ooh, we crashed. Whoosh. Oh, no. We crashed. Ooh. Okay. Are we alive though? Wait, is there... Wait, is there...